A very good morning to all. Today we'll discuss about a multi-stage switching network. The basic component of multi-stage network is a two input, two output interchange switch. So see here the operation of two cross two interchange switch. We have a two input and a two output. So here if A wants to connect with an output 0, in this way it will be connected, and if A wants to connect with 1, A connected to 1, and here uh, input B connected to 0 and B connected to 1. So in this, if 2 wants to communicate to if two inputs A and B want to connect to 0, it is not possible. Only one will be connected and the other one will be blocked. So in this case, if A and B, let us consider for sake of understanding, if two inputs A and B want to connect with the output 0, it is not possible. It will not be possible. One will be connected and the other will be blocked. Now let me see uh, a binary tree with two cross two switches. See here we have two processors, and we have a 0 to 7 memory modules. So in this case, when a processor 1 wants to communicate, wants to access a memory module 5. So in this case, as it is as a processor 1 want to access a memory module 5, what it has to do is it has to convert that 5, as it is given in the binary itself, 101. This most significant bit is a first switch output, which is 1. Middle 0 is the output of the middle switch. 1 is the output of the least significant bit. Okay, so 101. So in this case, if it is 101, so let me show with an example. In this case, here processor 1 want to access with memory module 5. So what we have to do is, processor in processor 1, 5 is represented as 101. Okay, so this is your most significant bit, this is your least significant bit, this is your middle bit. Okay, so we have 2 cross 2 switch. So in this 2 cross 2 switch, one is processor P1 and the other one is processor P2. So we have a P1 processor and the other is P2. Okay, so we will have a 0 and 1. Okay, so this is your first stage. Try to consider, we have three stages in this. This is your first stage, this is your second stage, this is your third stage. Okay, so in the first stage, first you have to check the most significant bit. So why because processor 1 want to access memory module 5. So 5 in decimal is represented as 101. So this processor 1, as our first one is 1, it is connected to 1. Okay, next is what? Next is 0. So second stage output, it has to connect to 0. So see here, first processor 1, as it is 1, first output is 1, so it is connected to 1. Next is what? Next is 0. So it is connected to here. Next is 0. So 0 means it is upper, so it is connected to 0. From 0, this is your middle bit 0, and 1 is the least significant bit, the last stage, this one. So it is connected and you are getting 1. So finally processor 1 access the memory module 5, 101. Okay, so now, finally, So finally, processor 1 accessed a memory module 1 with the binary tree structure. So see here, just now I discussed, for example, to connect P1 to memory 101, it is necessary to form a path from P1 to output 1 in the first level switch. This is your first level switch. It has to be connected to 1 as 101. Next, output 0, it has to connect to output 0 in the second level switch. So this is your second level switch, so it has to connect to 0. As it is 1 means it is coming to the second switch, so in this it is connected to 0. Next, the output 1 in the third level switch. This is your third stage. In this, it has to connect to output 1 for third level switch. In this way, processor 1 can reach to memory module 5. Okay, so it is clear that either P1 or P2 can be connected to any one of the 8 modules. Okay, certain request patterns however cannot be satisfied simultaneously. Okay, why? See an example so that you can understand. For example, if P1 is connected to one of the destinations 000 through 011, it means P2 can be connected to only one of the destinations 100 through 111. Why? Let me show an example. Let us consider in this initial stage, processor P1 connected to 0. Okay, connected to output 0. Okay, so if processor P1, in this case, in this diagram it is showing connected to 1, but I am saying an example. If it is connected to 0, according to this, if it is connected to a destination 000, indicates the first most significant bit, it is showing 0. That's the case, I am saying to connect to 0. So if it is connecting to 0, next next processor 1 wants to access memory module 1, let us suppose. So what happens from here? 1 means the middle bit will also be 1, so it will be connected from here. The last bit will be 1, so it has to be connected to in this way, not the above one. So in this way, so that it can access. Okay, now if a processor P2 is already connected, now again at the same time processor P2 also wants to access memory module 2, it won't be possible. Why? Because it can only connect to the output 1. Why? Because P1 is already connected to output 0, P2 can connect to 1. So if it is connecting to 1, it can have a range. So MSB is 1 means you have to check the MSB 1111. So it can access this from 4 to 7. It can access from 4 to 7. Whereas P1, if it is connected in the initial stage to 0, it can access from 0 to 3. It can access from 0 to 3. So that is binary tree with 2 cross 2 switches. Okay. So see here. For example, if P1 is connected to one of the destination, whatever the maybe the destination in this from 000 through 011, that means it means P2 cannot be connected to any one of the destinations. Okay, any one of the destinations where MSB part is 0, but it can be connected to where MSB position equals to 1. It means P2 can be connected to only one of the destinations where MSB equals to 1. Why? Why? Because in this already P1 is connected to 0. Let us suppose if it is connected to 0, then P2 cannot be connected to 0. I initially while explaining I said that two inputs cannot be connected to same output. Only one will be allowed and the other will be blocked. So here P1 already connected to output 0, so P2, the other option will be connected to 1 and it can access where MSB position equals to 1. Why? Because just now I said back, if MSB equals to 1, this is the first stage, and middle is your middle switch, last LSB position is your last switch.